Hey friends, hey family, I hope everybody's staying well. I can honestly say today's probably the first day that I've felt like 95% better. I've still got a little congestion, but I've been cleaning the house, so y'all know I'm feeling better. Anyways, what I wanted to share with you today was a broccoli and carrot casserole. So I looked up various recipes and couldn't find a lot of them out there or even in my cookbooks. And so I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna throw one together. You can do that. If I can do it, you can too. And I thought, we'll see how this turns out. So here we go. Okay, so to start with, I have one package of broccoli, which is actually 2 bundles there, and I put it in some water, covered most of it. Turn it upside down and you want the florets in the water. Then I have a cup and a half of baby carrots, organic baby carrots. Go ahead and turn your stovetop eye on to medium, and this actually cooked for about 30 to 45 minutes. Because if you don't cook these carrots and broccoli before you put it in this casserole, your casserole is going to be crunchy, and we don't want that. We're going to need a 9 by 13 baking dish, and go ahead and oil that baking dish. And we're going to start out with the carrots, and I ended up with about a cup and a half of carrots, and I did dice them in half. Now I've got the florets off of the broccoli, and I've got about 2 cups. Now we're going to add half of a small yellow onion diced, 1 stalk of celery diced, a little salt and pepper to taste. I'm adding 1 cup of cooked brown rice. Now you can use white rice, you can use instant rice. I don't recommend using instant rice because it's not healthy at all. Even white rice is not as healthy as brown rice. Brown rice has the husk on it, and you get fiber from brown rice. Now I'm adding 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and 1 cup of mild cheddar cheese. I just put it in the same cup, but that's what I added. I just used what I had. You can use any kind of cheese you would like. Now we're going to add 1 can of cream of chicken. Y'all, I'm making sure I get all that out of there. Now I'm going to take that same can and pour milk into it. So 1 can of milk. Go ahead and mix this up really well. And after I mixed it, I decided I wanted a little more pepper in this. And that's okay. You do you, and I can do me. But anyways, I do like the pepper. I don't use a lot of salt except on French fries and salmon patties. But I did add more salt to this because the only sodium that's in here really is from the can of cream of chicken. So I did add a little more salt to this. And just mix this really well. And we are going to put this in that 9 by 13 baking dish. Now, isn't that a pretty casserole? It's so colorful. I love colorful food. Now, I'm going to top this with some breadcrumbs, and I think I have some crushed crackers in here as well. I've had several viewers ask me to do a video on the breadcrumbs, and I did complete one. I've just got to do a little editing, and I hope to get that posted for you as well. Now, you don't have to use breadcrumbs. If you have a sleeve of Ritz crackers, you could do that, or you could even do cheese if you're someone who likes a lot of cheese. But do keep in mind this has cheese in it. You will need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I put this in the oven for 30 minutes with aluminum foil on top. Took that aluminum foil off about 30 minutes in, cooked it for 15 more minutes, and voila. Y'all, I didn't get to finish my video and come back and just show you how great this really did taste, but my husband and I absolutely loved this. I did get a picture of how it cuts out, and it cut out perfectly. This one's going in my personal cookbook, and I'll definitely post the ingredients for you as well.